Hey, hello everyone. So after some time in my midterm exam, my final year exam, so that's where I'm not be active, but it's whatever. Let's build something. I just built this today as a cheat sheet. What is a cheat sheet? So I just go explore this cheat sheet. Is a 82 knowledge that reveals 80% real world uses. Details the working, engineering, and who need fast and regular no tutor. Okay. So you're learning Python, but you must be forget about the Python. You read a lot of again tutorial, but you for the function. So that's the reason you must be construction. This is I don't know the parameter, and this is a common feature. Production interview. So some is the production interview. So yeah. So go deep dive. Okay, data type, Python data type. There is a int floor as like this. Everything is a list, what is immutable, so everything is covered. So if you are someone who already read about the Python and know about the Python, this one of the for you that's gonna be help you. Okay, this is the arithmetic option, and this is the input and output section at the loop. This is just one error handling. This is one this just you just scrolling, and that's you learn everything. This you are testing. This you just need to refresh your mind. So there's everything you need to, yeah, that's all everything this you need to fill. Okay, fine, that's I all cover. Okay, then if you want to go any other, there's like a Java on any one things like a Java and SQL and anything else. So it's like the same way as the PyTorch. You feel like PyTorch is the same way as a Git and Docker, as everything is a Linux function. And yeah, just go to the if you want to go in. So last we want to go in like any other programming language. So see the JavaScript. So is the JavaScript is covered the same way. So it just win. So it's a complementary version. So this is let's go to the go to as a data type. So here the data type is like a Python type is the same way. So here this arithmetic option, this is all is covered. So here the input section is the Python, is not like the Python way, is like it's kind of different way. So get this input. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, this is all the cover. So let's be okay. Okay, fine. So yeah, there's system design. So you're the system design section. Yeah, this is one of the top section. I feel you must be go. Okay, debate. So yeah, that's it. So here this project, I hope you like that. So I'm just also share this GitHub repo is open source. So I built this open source. So anyone come and start to add something new. This or everything if I made a mistake. So you are someone's who can add, and I also added some language section. So gonna be help you. Okay, this is all about that. So here if you're from India, so you just come here and you know about it. If you're in Bengali, so you know about that. So yeah, that's gonna be help you, and I hope you like that. So let's see for the future moments and see build and repo is open source, so come here and check out.